Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Hafiz. So in this Laravel video we will learn one-to-many relations in Laravel. In the previous video we have learned one-to-one relation in Laravel. So in this video we will learn one-to-many relation in Laravel. So first of all we will understand what is relation in Laravel, and after that one-to-many relations, and we need to make one controllers and two models to understand the example of one-to-many relations. So let us see how to implement the one-to-many relations in Laravel. For that we need to open the project which we have created in the previous video. So let us open the project. So this is the project which we have created in the previous video. This is the database of this project, and we have created one user table and one company table which we have already used in previous video, if you are watching my video in series. So in the users tables we have three users. Now you can see we have three users, and in the company table only we have two records which have user id 11 and user id 16. So let us see how to implement the one-to-many relationship. So first of all we understand what are the relations in Laravel. Fetching the records from the two or more tables on the behalf of a similar key is relations. So in the one-to-one relationship, we are fetching the records in the two tables on the behalf of similar key or similar ID, we can say that. So in the one-to-many relations, we are fetching the records on the tables, two or more tables on the behalf of similar key or similar ID. So let us implement the one-to-many relations. So let us open the project. We have already created the two models, user models and company model, and one controller, user controller. So let us check this function is working or not. We have already created the route for this function, and now you can see we have already created the route all users, show users function. So let us check all users. Now you can see we are getting all users, means we are getting three users which we have in database. So let us see how to implement the one-to-many relation. Suppose one user, one-to-many relation is suppose one user can work in multiple companies as part-time, not same time. In one-to-one relation at same time, but in one-to-many relation one user can work in multiple companies at part-time. So let us implement. Open the model, user model. So let us create the function public function user companies return this has many. So we will pass the model with complete path, models company. Save this function. Find which have ID 11. So let us refresh this page. Now we can see we are getting user which have ID 11. So let us check in companies table in how many companies the user ID, the user which have ID 11 is working. Suppose we added the user which is working in two companies, company test 1 and company test 2. So let us check. Get user company, we will call that function which we have created in the user model from the controller. So let us refresh. Now you can see we are getting the company 1 which have ID 1 and company 2 which have ID 2. We are getting the both companies. So in this way we can implement the one-to-many relation in Laravel. So if you have any doubt or any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.